I wanna settle down. I wanna settle down. Won't you settle down with me? Settle down. We can settle at a table for two. Won't you wine and dine with me? Settle down.
She the type to get it on her own. She don't never need a man. She would rather sleep alone. She would rather get stoned and sip on a Bud Light. She's a smart girl, just addicted to the nightlife. And her pussy be the meanest, but she never suck a dick because she say that shit demeaning. Heard she coming over, now she's coming and she's leaving. And everything that she's doing, she does it at her convenience. Cold ass girl, no love for no man. I keep looking for a reason to leave her, but I can't. Gotta stop thinking that everything gon' change, cause it got me in restraints, tied down by 2 chains. Baby, please don't go, girl, just stay. We always end up fussing and we fucking and she goes the wrong way. But why you always gotta leave midnight? I just wanna see your face in the daylight.
I wanna settle down. Won't you settle down with me? Settle down. We can settle at a table for two. Won't you wine and dine with me? Settle down.
Never been this fucked up, off of just one kiss. You the type to make a kid wanna have a couple kids. Maybe change my whole life, made me empty out my wallet. And I don't know what it is, but you really seem to got it and I need it. So baby girl, tell me what you think. We're playing games with my heart, let's finally get in sync. Let's finally get it together, baby, we can make it work. But she rather be a dick tease, running game while she flirts. Singing young, wild and free, like nobody gonna tame you. I ain't a game, I ain't here to entertain you. I hate it when you play Avicii when I bang you. But I would never wanna change you. I just wanna be around when you feeling down. Wanna wind it down you, maybe after we can paint the town. How that sound, baby, we can have it all. I'll be there when you up, and I'll catch you when you fall.
I wanna settle down. Won't you settle down with me? Settle down.
Yeah.
We can settle at a table
Phyllis.
for two.
Huey.
Won't you wine and dine with
Scholar.
me? Settle
OG,
down.
cool. She said she wanted to settle down, but she wasn't serious. I flipped through the program, but I wasn't feeling it. Ain't digging her attitude. Swore she was feminist, but really a radical. Scheming for dividends. She was one of those chicks in the club, saw me and my thugs, and figured that she wanted to roll with us. She was one of them Kanye girls, and I ain't talking good. Nah, homie, she was one of them gold diggers. I gave her the real deal. She selling me game. I swore she was hands, bro, but I wasn't playing. It wasn't in my plans to be played. I was raised as a player, but sometimes a rookie ain't made for the majors. That ain't my case, but I settle, get it, case settle. Oh man, forget her. Balls in my court, and everyone knows that b-ball's the only time I'm going for the hoes.
It's Calvin Coolidge, Sawyer on the beat. It goes on and on, we're doing this till the day we're gone. And if I die, then play this song and put me up where I belong. It goes on and on, we're doing this till the day we're gone. And if I die, then play this song and put me up where I belong. We made it, it's been a long time coming. Cops on my ass, been a long time running. Think about the past and we're all like, fuck it, cause we'll never get it back, so it all means nothing. I know where I've been, I don't know where I'm headed. Don't know where this all ends, but I know I won't regret it. Everything you say means nothing to me. All we ever had was a blunt and a dream. And it's okay if that dream gets stumped, cause shit, at least I still got my blunt. I'll never get the chance to do it again, so I keep my family and keep my friends. And if they've been here from the start, you can bet they'll be here when it ends. It goes on and on, we're doing this till the day we're gone. And if I die, then play this song and put me up where I belong. It goes on and on, we're doing this till the day we're gone. And if I die, then play this song and put me up where I belong. They say that life is what you make it, but I say life is how you take it. I'd rather change my situation than to waste all my time complaining. I swear, I'm dying for the life and it kills me inside. Ironic cause the dream is what keeps me alive. We're just striving to find the part we play, but at times like these it's hard to say. Destined to see how far we go, it's nothing to you but it's all we know. So stand in the way of the dream of the team, and I swear you'll see how hard we go. To be perfectly honest, I don't plan on finishing college. I only got one shot and my rifle's cocked from a rifle spot right at the top. It goes on and on, we're doing this till the day we're gone. And if I die, then play this song and put me up where I belong. It goes on and on, we're doing this till the day we're gone. And if I die, then play this song and put me up where I belong.